Good morning, students. Class 2nd, English subject, Unit 4, Chapter name, Rain. Rain poem. The short English poem on rain for Class 2, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. The poem briefly describes the rain all around on field, tree, umbrellas, ship at sea. It is a very simple poem. This makes it perfect for young mind. So let's recite this poem. The poem title is Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. This poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay. न्यू वर्ड यानी कि डिफिकल्ट वर्ड. रेनिंग, अराउंड, फील्ड, रेन, अम्ब्रेलाज, शिप्स. ओके, राइट दीज डिफिकल्ट वर्ड इन योर notebook and learn the spelling of these word. Now reading is fun. First question, where does the rain fall? Rain कहाँ गिरती है? The rain fall all around on field, trees, on umbrellas and ships. What do people use when it rain? People क्या यूज करते हैं जब बारिश होती है तो? People use umbrellas and raincoat when it rains. What do people use when it rains? People use umbrellas and raincoats when it rains. Now let's talk. What do you do on a rainy day? जब मैं बच्ची थी, आई एम ए लिटिल किड्स, आई एम मेकिंग ए बोट ऑफ पेपर एंड फ्लोटिंग ऑन वाटर. तो मैं तो अपने हिसाब से लिखूंगी. यू कैन राइट योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो. आई मेक बोट्स ऑफ पेपर एंड फ्लोट दैम ऑन वाटर. हाउ डू यू कीप योर सेल्फ ड्राई इन द रेन? We keep ourselves dry in the rain by wearing raincoats or holding umbrellas. By wearing raincoats and holding umbrellas. Yes. Now next question. Do you like to play in water? Yes, I like to play in water. Say what things live in water. कौन कौन सी जानवर हैं, कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं जो पानी में रहती हैं? फिश, फ्रॉग, क्रोकोडाइल, डक live in water. Let's listen. First question, have you heard the sound of rainfall? Yes, I have heard the sound of rainfall. What sound does the rain make on umbrellas? The rain makes the sound of tip tip on umbrellas. What sound does the rain make on the leaves of tree? The rain makes the sound of tap tap on the leaves of trees. What sound does the rain make on your window? The rain makes the sound of thap thap on my window. On my window. Make all these sound yourself. Umbrellas पे tip tip. Umbrellas पे tip tip. Leaves of tree. Tup tup. Tup tup. And windows पे थप थप. थप थप. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day and learn and write these questions in your notebook.